Okay, welcome to e-learning workshop, and today I will demonstrate how online student registration can be set up in Moodle LMS. So there are some basic things that you need for this procedure. You should have a working college LMS, and I hope you all have created a college LMS for your respective colleges and you are working on it. You should have the concerned students added into the LMS as users. Now the semesters for which registration is going to happen is 3rd and 5th. So you should have at least those students added to the LMS using the procedure that was demonstrated in the workshop. You should also have created a course for administrative procedures. Use the procedure that was demonstrated in the workshop to create a course and name it suitably like management or something else. You should have enrolled a teacher or manager into the said course. So you are working as an admin, but to facilitate you have to have some teacher or manager also enrolled into that particular course. Step 1 is log in into your LMS and go to the desired course under My Courses. Click on the settings icon and click on turn editing on, which is a very important step anytime you are doing any changes editing in the course page. Step 2, go to the desired section. For example, here in my demonstration it is topic 1, and you add on the you click on the add an activity or resource link, which will open a pop-up box that is called as activity chooser, and in this activity chooser you have to select database, and just after selecting database you read the help file or the information that is provided about database activity. Then you click on the add button. Then you set up your database. You have to give a name. For example, I have given here 3rd, 5th semester registration, and then you have to give a description in which you will explain step by step procedure to the students how to register themselves in using this form. Then you also change the entries settings. For example, approval required, you should keep it yes, and then your maximum number of entries should be limited to 1. Step 5 is you have to also change the availability settings, because your registration procedure will be for a limited period, that is from 3rd August to 7th August. So you have to change those dates available from and available to by checking the enable box just after them and then changing the dates. After that you have to click on save and display, and you will see that your database is created. Now this database should have some fields, and what fields it should have should be selected from the registration and roster form. Whatever information you get filled by the students on your registration and roster form should come in this database in the form of field. And for that, to create a new field, you have to click on the choose, so that a variety of field types are available. Mostly we'll be using checkbox, date, radio button, and text input. For our fee receipt, we can use picture field type. Next step is it's a demonstration of an example. For example, uh, radio button. If you select radio button, you can use this field type for allowing students to select their semester or regular courses or repeat courses. Then once you select radio button field, it opens a small dialog box in which you have to specify the field name, field description, and if it is a compulsory field, then you have to check the box after required field. And if you have to give options, then you have to give one option in one line. That is, here in this case, third semester is in line 1, whereas you press enter and then give the second option, that is fifth semester. Then you click on the add button and the field will be added to your database. Thank you very much, and we will have more guidelines coming up maybe tomorrow. Thank you.